So today I'm going to be teaching how to use Microsoft Word to create the images that you want. So to start, let's just find an image. I want to click on Online Pictures, and let's say I want something summer related. I think I like the starfish picture, so I'm going to insert it. And ta-da, here we have the image. Now, let's say I want to create something like a postcard. So I'm going to use, sorry about this, sometimes this happens. I'm going to just type in the text, let's say, actually first I'm going to try to create something kind of fun. Let's say, wish you were here. Now, I want that to be bigger, and I want it on top of the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase it until it's about the size I want. And let's give it a white color. Now what I do from here is I click on this image and then right-click. From here, I click on Wrap Text and Behind Text. That makes it so the text appears on top. Now I want to format this a tiny bit more, so I'm going to make it look kind of a little bit more beachy, or a little bit more postcardy. Ta-da! I have successfully created an image. You can use this to do many other images such as cards using Microsoft Word.